it's Mia from Interact. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create an assessment style quiz. With an assessment style quiz, you get to test knowledge in a fun way. It is a standard multiple choice quiz with one correct answer. The results are based on how many correct answers the quiz taker receives. So let's get into how to build your assessment style quiz. To get started, you are going to set up the cover page for your assessment style quiz. We recommend using the format of how much do you really know about blank for your quiz title. For my example quiz, I'm making an assessment style quiz about coffee. I made this quiz with our AI quiz maker, and I was provided the title, Are You a Coffee Guru? Test Your Knowledge. This perfectly aligns with the format of how much do you really know about blank, and in this case it is coffee. I wanted different versions of the color brown for my quiz, so I used different hex codes for my background and button color. Since the cover page is the first page your quiz taker will see of your quiz, it is important to really engage with your quiz taker. This includes having a catchy title, a great cover image, and a quiz description. Let's move on to questions. The typical assessment style quiz has 4 answer choices. There is one correct answer typically. You have the option to use image answers or text answers for your questions. For my first question, I'm going to use text answers. Once I am happy with my question, it is time to set the correct answer. I'm going to select Set Correct Answer. The correct answer for this specific question is C, Italy. I'm going to click the correct answer below. The correct answer is always in green. You may be asking yourself, hey, what if I have more than one correct answer for one of my questions? My second question is a perfect example of this. Let's head to question 2. For this specific question, there are 2 correct answers. Again, I'm going to select Set Correct Answers. However, this time I'm going to select Enable Select Multiple Answers. I'm then going to select my 2 correct answers for this specific question. The correct answers are answer choice B, Hawaii, and answer choice E, California. Now for this specific quiz question, there are 2 correct answers. Back to question 1. After you've set your correct answer, you then have the option to include an explanation of the correct answer. This is, of course, optional. The explanation will appear after the question is answered. You are next taken to reveal correct answers. You can select yes, reveal the correct answer after every question, or no, do not reveal the correct answer after every question. It is up to your preference. If you do select yes, reveal the correct answer after every question, you have the option to customize the specific text for correct, incorrect, your answer, correct answer, explanation, or the next button. You can customize it to your liking. Lastly, you can change the color options when you reveal the correct answers. Hit save when you are done with your selection. You are going to repeat this process for each of your quiz questions. When you are done with your quiz questions, select Results. Your quiz taker will receive their specific result based on how many answers they got correct on your quiz. Here you can see the specific scores for each specific quiz result. We have Coffee Novice as the lowest score. This result will be received by any quiz taker who received the score of 0 to 1 correct. I'm going to select Result Settings. In Result Settings, you have the option to display score text. You can select yes, display the score value in the results, or no, do not display the score value in the results. If you do decide to display the score value, you can also customize the text. You then have the option to show the correct answers. You can choose if you would like to display a list of all the correct answers in the results of your quiz by selecting yes. Again, you can customize your text and your answer key here. Or you can select no, do not show the correct answer in the result. Finally, again, you have many different color options to show your correct answers. You can customize your colors for the correct and incorrect answers. Hit save when you are done with your result settings. You are going to go to result settings for each of your quiz results. And that, my friends, is how you create an assessment style quiz. Go ahead and try for yourself. You can make a quiz within minutes with our AI quiz maker. Go to tryinteract.com/AI to get started. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and we'll catch you in our next video. Happy quizzing!